so many people telling us that it took them months, hours, days to put together their costumes. Mint over here. And again, a lot of the energy starts to pick up as people get ready to go along the parade route. This is where all the fun starts.
I'm Jolly Jacko.
He's Jolly Jacko.
I don't stress. Oh no.
Oh no.
The world is my upbeat rodeo. Hey, hey, I'm Jolly Jacko.
Hey, yo, Jacko.
That's me.
So I'm building a Pokémon meets Sesame Street intellectual property called VeeFriends. I've been wanting to build something like it for a long time. And then when I saw the NFT thing was starting to mature, I decided to launch the IP as an NFT. While equally making videos that 99% of NFTs were gonna go to zero. Like, I'm all in on the macro, be careful of the micro, but now I'm like very far along. If you go to eBay right now and type in VeeFriends, you will be blown away with the pins and stickers and trading cards. I'm actively building a Marvel, a Hello Kitty, a Pokemon right now. I didn't really think 3 years ago that that's what I was gonna do. So I stay very curious about a lot of things, and then I act on it. But you have to be careful to not just follow a trend because you think it's a trend. Crypto this, cannabis that, AI this. You see those kind of people who are just always on to the next thing. For me, I am on to the next thing a lot, but it's always fitting a strength or something I've been thinking about. Hey, vlog, right now you can see the team is kind of like prepping for this big VeeFriends Halloween parade that we're doing here. It's an iconic New York City parade. We have a massive VeeFriends float with Crocs. We've got some Crocs on that have some gibbets on them, and if it zooms in nicely, you can tell those are VeeFriends gibbets, so I'm excited about this quite a bit. This is just the behind the scenes of like actually building an intellectual property. Like, this is step by step. Like, when you say outlandish shit like I do, like I'm gonna try to build a Marvel, Disney, Pokémon, Sesame Street. I mean, it takes 30 years. These are big things. Like, I drew these fucking characters 3 years ago, and now we have like a massive float at like the biggest New York City Halloween parade. And so it's fun, and it's challenging, and it's exciting, and it's humbling.
Jim and I know each other from the VeeFriends.
Early days, very early.
That's the best part of it, VeeFriends.
Yes.
One of my favorite things to do when I'm super tired and traveling is just read the Discord and Twitter of all of you interacting with all of you. It's the best.
And all of these events are just bringing more people together. Every time I come to one of these we never met before, I meet new people.
Of course. It's the whole point. I believe in it so much.
Thank you so much for joining us today. We're super pumped to be here, and thank you. Please, as first, have fun and be safe. Everyone who's walking, please grab the tote bag. Have fun. Happy Halloween.
Gary Vaynerchuk is one of the sponsors of the parade this year, so they are shouting his name out there. We're going to try to get him on camera.
Let's go back down to Roger, right on 6th Avenue. Roger, who do you have?
Joining us now, GaryVee.
Yes, sir.
Big supporter of the parade. Good to see you out here.
It's an honor to be a part of this, have VeeFriends here. It's been an unbelievable night.
Yeah, we just got a chance to see the float go by. Very cool.
Like, for a Jersey, New York kid like me to have my float go by on this epic night that I've watched for the last 40 years is one of the most humbling moments of my career.
And I mean, tell me about a night like this. I mean, for me, just the creativity that goes into it, the spirit, it truly is a New York event.
It is, there are certain things that like reek New York, and this event absolutely is. And again, for an 80s baby like me, this was such an iconic event in the 90s and things of that nature. And so, and just, you know, look, the world's tough. There's a lot going on. To see all the smiling faces tonight has been a really enjoyable night.
Gary, always a pleasure talking to you.
It's a pleasure. Love
Gary
you.
V.